How did you neighbor? Morning and welcome. Yeah, man, I'm me, Rev Nicqi Ashwood, and today may I read one part of God's word for you in a Jamaican Patwa. If you know more about me, check the information section at bottom. Meantime, go and like, comment, and share this with somebody. And remember, a God word this come out pan Yaso every 5 o'clock a morning. So join we and can learn more about God word in a Jamaican Patwa.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
So today may I read to you from Matthew 5, verse 41 to 48. Jesus, I tell we, how to do the love thing for real. Yeah. Una did hear say Moses did write say love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But this is what me I say to you. Una feel love your enemy them and pray for all of the people them who treat you bad and make you suffer. When you do that, you will come in just like your Father God what they are heaven. You no see how we make the sun rise up and shine upon wicked people, just like how it shine upon the good people them. And he make rain fall upon people where do right in your eyesight, same as how it fall upon the one them wanna listen to him. After all, if you no hunger love the people them well love you, why not go get out of that? Eh? And if you no hunger tell no people them how they, and what they not do so when nobody else no do. Don't to the wrong doer them do that. Not true. So hear me now. Uno no fi go the only sometime are only to some people. Nobody no fi have nothing bad fi say about uno. Cause uno fi turn just like uno father what they are him. Yeah. Him good all the time to everybody. And nobody can say nothing bad about him and I shoot them attack. Ah God, what this?
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.